Good morning, children. 7th standard. How are you? Today we are going to continue that lesson, that is market and consumer protection. Already we saw about the markets. What is the market and what are all the types of market we saw on the basis of land, on the basis of time, everything we saw. Today we are going to see about the consumer. Who are all called consumers and the protection. Understand? Who is a consumer? Here, a consumer is a person who purchases a product or avails a service for a consideration, either for his personal use or to earn his livelihood by means of self-employment. He is called as a consumer. Now, we are consumers because we are purchasing the product. We are purchasing the vegetables, purchasing the product, the goods in the provisional stores. Anga provision la pay vaangrom. So we are all called as consumers. Not only this, purchase பண்றது மட்டும் இல்ல, that we are doing the services also. So we are called as consumers. Okay, so நம்மளோட personal use as well as to earn money, we are doing the work. Those persons, we are called as consumers. Okay, then the consideration may be paid. What we can say for the consumers? Paid, promised. Paid, promised, and partly paid and partly promised. Partly paid and partly promised. So, these are the consideration. The consideration of they are paid, promised, partly paid or partly promised. It also includes the beneficiary of such goods and services when such use is made with the approach of such a person. So, these are all about the consumers. Here, idella vandu theriyirudhu enadhu consumers. Who is not a consumer? Yaar consumer illa? Not a consumer அப்படினு பார்க்கலாம். A person is not a consumer if or she யார் என்னது purchases any goods or avails any service free of charge. Understand? காசே இல்லாம நம்ம வருமானமே சேலரியே இல்லாம we are workingல சர்வீஸ் பண்றோம் and பணமே கொடுக்காத நம்ம gift மாதிரி வாங்கிட்டு போறோம். அப்ப நம்ம purchase பண்றோம்னு அர்த்தமா? If we buying any gift, that is called so those persons, they are not called as consumers. Can you able to follow them? And next, purchases a good or hires a service for commercial purpose. அதே மாதிரி hire பண்றோம். Understand? For a hire க்கு we are working, we are doing the service, so we are not called as a consumer. And avails any service under contract of service. அதே மாதிரி கான்ட்ராக்ட் பேசிஸில் சர்வீஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. அவங்கெல்லாம் யார் கிடையாது? கன்சியூமர்ஸ் கிடையாது. இப்போ ஃபார் அன் எக்ஸாம்பிள், இப்போ வீடெல்லாம் கட்டுறாங்க, த பில்டிங் கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன், பிரிட்ஜு கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணுறது, அவங்கெல்லாம் இருக்காங்கல்ல, அதில் அவங்க என்ன கான்ட்ராக்ட் பேசிஸில் தே ஆர் ஒர்க்கிங். தே ஆர் நாட் கால்ட் அஸ் கன்சியூமர்ஸ். புரியுதா? Consumers, who are called as consumers? Those who are purchasing the goods, okay, product, and those who are working for a service to earn money, they are called as consumers. Who are not called as consumers? பைசா கொடுத்து நம்ம பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணாதவங்களெல்லாம் கன்சியூமர் கிடையாது. அதே மாதிரி ஃப்ரீயாக ஒர்க் பண்ணுறவங்க, ஹானரரியாக ஒர்க் பண்ணுறவங்க கன்சியூமர் கிடையாது. Understand? And also those who are working in a temporary, that is in a bond பண்ணி, what we can say, service under the contract service, those people, they are not considered as the consumers. Have you all understand then? Okay, so these are all about consumers. Here the next, that what is unfair trade practice, that is not in your portion, then that is omitted. Then consumers protection, it is also omission. You have to know about the in the box page number 194 there you have 8 basic consumer rights. நீங்கள் அதை தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, உங்களுக்கு ஆக்சுவலாக அது இல்லை, அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், பட் ஈவன் தோ யூ ஜஸ்ட் நோ தட் the 8 basic consumer rights. What are they? The right to basic needs. Basic needsக்கு நம்ம ரைட்ஸ் கொடுக்கறது, அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். The right to safety, the right to information, the right to choose, the right to representation, the right to redress, the right to consumer education, and the right to a healthy environment. இதெல்லாம் என்ன? These are all the 8 basic consumer rights. These rights are very important, children. இது உங்களுக்கு omissionல இருந்தாலும் you have to know, understand. So they asked in the short answersல அதை கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். We'll see. Answer the followingல list out the rights of consumers. Third one, you have that answer, understand. Okay, now I am going to give you the answers for this lesson. Okay, take out your classwork, all of you. We'll write the answers now. First one, choose a correct answer. Roman letter 1. That is choose. First one is omission, children, in which case a consumer cannot complain against the manufacturer of a defective product. Okay, இருந்தாலும் நீங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. It is very useful for you, understand. In which case a consumer cannot complain. எதுக்காக நம்ம கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்ண முடியாது? Against a manufacturer of a defective. ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் டிஃபெக்டாக இருக்குன்னா நம்ம எதற்காக கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்ண முடியாது அப்படின்னா among the 4 options, the option is C. That is batch number of commodity. Okay. First one is batch number of commodity. The answer is C. Second one, consumers face various problems from the producer's end due to, that is the answer is A, unfair trade practices. Unfair trade practices. Third one, consumers must be provided with adequate information. Answer is D, decision in purchase of goods. Fourth one, the system of consumer courts at the national, state and district level. That is, answer is A, 3-tier system. And the fifth answer, mixing other extraneous material of inferior quality. That is called as B. Answer is B, adulteration. adulteration. Then next one, fill in the blanks. That is Roman letter 2. First one, buying and selling. Second answer, government. Okay, third one, monopoly. Fourth one, copra. COPRA. இது உங்களுக்கு omission இருந்தாலும் you have to know. Then Roman letter 3. Roman letter 3 is omission. Okay. Next, Roman letter 4. Consider the following statement. First one, tick the appropriate answer. The answer is B. Both A and R are true. Then Roman letter 5. Answer the following. First answer, what is market? Answer, page number 190. What is market? Take page number 190, children. Here, this last paragraph. Page number 190. I'll read out the answer then. A setup where two or more parties engage in exchange of goods, services and information is called a market. Okay, 3 lines. Then second one, that is not in your lesson, that is omission. And third one, list out the rights of consumers. Third, it is in page number 194. It is also omission only, but you have to know that. அதனால அது important. அதனால தான் மிஸ் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறேன். Page number 194. Here, the 8 basic consumer rights. உங்களுக்கு consumer rightsனா என்னன்னு தெரியணும். So, this is only the basic 8 consumer rights. The right to basic needs, the right to safety, the right to information, the right to choose, the right to representation, the right to redress, the right to consumer education, and the right to healthy environment. Understand? The 8. Then, fourth one, discuss the role of consumer codes. That is omission. Understand? அது உங்களுக்கு கிடையாது. Then, fifth answer. Page number 191, 192. That is the detailed answer. It is the detailed answer. Take page number 191. Here, below this picture, classification of market irukka, and the picture ku keela parunga. You have this paragraph. Broadly, there are 2 classifications of market. The question enna ketirukanga. What is the question, children? Write about the types of market and its functions. Understand? So, broadly, there are 2 classification of markets. The product market and the factor market. The factor markets refers to the market for buying and selling of factors of production like land, capital, labor, etc. Adu varika oru point. Can you able to follow? Then second point, the other classification of markets are as follows. Understand? Enna அப்படினு பார்த்தா இந்த டார்க் லெட்டர்ஸ்ல எழுதி இருக்குல்ல அதை எழுதணும். On the basis of geographic location. 1 போட்டு இதே மாதிரி you have to write 1 ன்னு போட்டு on the basis of geographic location போட்டுட்டு இந்த டார்க் லெட்டர்ஸில் இருக்கிறது மட்டும் எழுதுனா போதும். A local markets, B regional markets, C national markets, D international market. Understand? Then 2 போட்டு on the basis of time. இது A very short period market, B short period market, C long period market. Then 3 on the basis of nature of transaction. adula A spot market. Understand? Next one, next page la future market. Top la and the heading mattum eludana podum. Then 4 on the basis of regulation. A regulated market, B unregulated market. Then 5 on the basis of nature of competition. adula A monopoly, B monopolistic competition, and C oligopoly. That's all. And the heading mattum neenga eludana podum. This is the detailed answer. Okay ma? So this lesson is over. The markets and the consumer protection. This I taught you the lesson and also I gave you the answers for this. Okay, write in your classwork notebook. This lesson will come for your exam. Understand? Learn well. Until then, we'll see you in the next class. Take care of you. Bye.